Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my very first Diamond Art Club unbox. So this is the box I received. It contains 4 diamond paintings, 3 of them from Andy Manzano and 1 from Hannah Lynn Art. So I'm very excited to open them, so let's get started. So I've opened the big box and I pulled out these 4 canvases. What I noticed straight away is that there are 2 designs of their boxes. You have a square box and you have a box for round diamond paintings. So I've got 4 diamond paintings here, 2 very big ones and 2 also pretty big but smaller ones. So these are both 42 by 59 centimeters and these are 52 by 71 and 52 by, wait, I can't read it, 88. So this is a very, very big one. So I'm going to open Wonderland first. This is the only round diamond painting I got. So it's a nice and sturdy box. Okay, so this is all that comes in the box. First we have a inventory sheet, which is actually on sticker paper. So it's easy to kit up. You can just cut out these symbols and place them on your container or keep it as an inventory sheet. Then we also have another sticker. It says peel sticker here, used to organize your stashed kits. Use it to organize your stashed kits. Place it in your logbook or anywhere you like. So it has all the information on it. It's a 42 by 59 round diamond painting by Andy Manzano called Wonderland. And I see that this has an AB drill with it. So I can see that's only one AB on here. I've never worked with an AB drill before, so that will be very exciting. So then this is the round tool kit. So it says it has a magic applicator, a comfort grip, 2 wax pads, 1 craft tray and 1 multiplacer. So let's get into this. So you have your standard diamond painting pen. This one is blue with your standard grippy. You have a few bags, not too many. You have 2 plates of pink heart-shaped wax, which is very nice. I haven't seen them in this shape before. And then you have a clear tray. Let's move on to the exciting bit, the actual diamond painting. I've heard a lot about these canvases. I've heard they're very soft and very unique. So I'm curious to see what all the excitement is about. Ooh, they are very, very soft. Wow, this actually feels really nice. Feels super, super soft. So this is what the diamond painting looks like. It is very, very colorful. And here you have the package of drills and a step-by-step instruction, the same that is on the box. And they have a coupon code in here as well. So what I noticed immediately is that it's board glue, which is very nice. And these symbols are super, super clear. This kit contains 45 colors and it has a sheet on both the left and the right side, so you don't have to look around for the inventory sheet to see which color is which. But the drill field is super nice and it almost immediately lays flat without having to peel back anything. So that's very nice. So these are the drills. They are packaged in big bags. The diamonds are super shiny. They look really good quality. So yes, I'm really excited for them. But all in all, it looks very nice. So I'm very satisfied with it. So one thing is unclear to me because it said, as you can see here, it's round with AB. However, I do not see any AB diamonds in here. Oh wait, here it is. I see it. 138. 138. Oh, okay. So 138 is number 35. It is on here. So as you can see, it's a very, very sparkly drill with a special coating on it. So this is the AB drill and it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So it's number 35. It's like a round circle and it's at the bottom here a bit, as I can quickly see it. So yeah, that's very nice. This is Nola. She's also by Mandy Manzano, but this is a square diamond painting. She's 52 by 88, so she's quite a bit bigger than Wonderland. With this box as well, a diamond painting toolkit, only this is the square toolkit. So it again has the magic applicator, a comfort grip, 2 wax pads, a craft tray, a multi-placer, but this one also includes a pair of tweezers. So let's see, these are tweezers. They are unbranded. They do not have any logo on it or anything, but they are very, very pointy. So you need to be careful with that. But for the rest, also it contains a few baggies, so it's basically the same as the round toolkit. So I'm not going to be showing that in too much detail. So this has 53 colors. It does not have any ABs. And again, this is printed on a sticker type of paper, so you can cut it out and label your containers. This also has a nice storage sticker. And this is what the image looks like. She's absolutely gorgeous. This canvas is also super, super soft. Again, I don't think I can fully roll it out on camera or even on my table because it's so super big. This is what she looks like. It is a lot, and I mean a lot of green, and it's a lot of color blocking, which I like because I'm currently doing a painting which is a lot of confetti, so I thought it would be nice to have a very big painting that has a lot of color blocking. So it's a lot of green and a lot of orange brown tones in her skin, and a bit of purple in here. So it looks very nice, and it looks again very legible, so it's very clear both sides. The canvas is printed again, and there will be a lot of black in this one as well. I am concerned a bit about her name. This says Nola. However, I'm not sure how legible this will be, but I will find out when it's finished. But other than that, I think the detail is very clear. As this is a square painting, there are no training circles, which is very nice. And the symbol quality is really, really clear. So, so far I'm very impressed with the Diamond Art Club canvas, or canvases should I say, because the round one also looks very clear. So it starts with black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310. 5 big bags of 310. Then a lot of greens, as you can see in here, a lot of greens. A lot of browns, like I said. Some paler colors, some blues, some purples. But let's look at the quality of the drills, because wow, they are really good drills. As you can see, there are barely any inconsistencies. They are very perfectly square, very uniform in size, which is very hard to find in a good square diamond painting manufacturer. And let's look at the black, because darker colors are harder to get right. In my opinion, black and very dark blue are most often inconsistent. So let's look at those drills. And they are all very uniform in shape and size as well. I cannot spot any inconsistencies with my naked eye so far. So that's very impressive. So that's all I'm going to be showing you from this kit. The reason why I'm not showing you any more of the drills is because I am very terrible at getting them back in their original package, and they were very cramped in there, and I'm worried that if I do unroll them fully, I cannot get them back in their original shape, and I cannot fit them back in the box. So what I will do, I have a smaller square painting. I will show you the drills there in more detail. But this one I'm going to be putting back in the box, and I will open the next big one, and then I will finish with the small one. Next one is Tell Me Stories, also by Mandy Manzano. It's square, very big one. Not as big as the last one. It's 52 by 71. So again, it has a toolkit, a square toolkit, so same as last one. An inventory sheet. This one has 42 colors, no ABs. And a sticker sheet, an instructional manual, the diamonds and the canvas. Let's first look at the canvas. As usual, again, very, very colorful. Mandy Manzano. It's simply too big to put it in fully into view. So let's look at the top, which is very blue, pinks. Also, I think quite a lot of black. Those dots are blacks, and I think, yes, again, some dark blues. It has a piano key here. And like I said, it's called Tell Me Stories. So let's look at the drill quality. Drill quality looks very clear, like any canvas so far. So immediately I noticed that there is a small separate bag of 796 that is here. And then again, you have a few strips of diamonds all together again not in DMC order. You can see in the middle there are a lot of blacks, dark blues. So yeah, looking at the quality of the diamonds again, they are very uniform, very nice, very consistent. So far I'm very impressed. Okay, so let's go on to the last canvas. So the last kit is not by Mandy Manzano, but it's actually by Handling Art. And the art piece is called Willow. So let's get everything out. Again, same as with the other three, a inventory sticker, a inventory sheet, and a square toolkit. They're all the same. This diamond painting has 40 colors. And it has quite a variety of colors. And this is Willow. Willow is a nice small, I wouldn't call her small. She's 42 by 59. She's quite big actually, but she's on the smaller side from the paintings I usually do. I either do a 40 by 50 or I do a 60 by 80. So this is right in between. So this is Willow, again square. So drills have no training wheels. They are very, very clear. I can easily distinguish what the symbols are even from a far distance away. Immediately before opening, it says AB, so there is an AB diamond in there, and it's color 134, number 1 on the canvas. So I can see some numbers 1 right down here, a bit here, here, there, 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 in her hair, up there, on the sides here, a bit on her face I see, like 2 on her face. So basically those light greens are the AB, so ooh, I can already see it right there. So let's open the diamonds and have a closer look at what is all in there. So right away what I see is there are some pinkish skin colored drills. There are quite a lot of them. Quite a full bag of $6.99. Full bag of $7.28. A beautiful yellow color. Let it go. $7.28, $700. Let's see. Wow. There are 2 AB colors. Also 136. I didn't notice it. Where is it? 136. Ooh. Wait a second. There are 3 AB colors. Number 39 and number 40 are also AB. So 136. It is the V on the canvas, so it's in the eyes. And then 7, which is also in the eyes. Wow, this is really pretty. And then the other, like I mentioned, the green. Very, very pretty. So let's look for the other AB color then, which is probably in here somewhere. Oh, this here. Also very pretty blue. So we have a lighter blue, a darker blue, and a green AB color. Wow, they're very pretty. So if we look at the drill quality up close, you can see they are very shiny. They are very square, which may sound weird, but square diamonds are not always very square. They are very good diamonds. I get why everybody is crazy about Diamond Art Club. First of all, the canvas, very smooth, very silky, and it lays flat almost immediately without having to roll it, having to put books on it, just like that. Drill quality, very nice. Symbol clarity, very good. Also pretty sticky, so it's really nice. I get it. I really get it. I already have 2 other purchases coming my way, so you can expect an unboxing of those as well as they arrive. My first one will arrive in like a week or 2, and the other one should arrive the end of September. I don't know when you're watching this, but you can expect them pretty soon. So for now I will be putting this all away, and I will be finishing one of the paintings I'm working on. I will probably be kitting up one of these. And I might do a paint with me on one of them. So if you want to paint with me on one of the canvases, let me know in the comments below which canvas you like the most or which you would like to see me kit up first. So that was my unboxing of 4 Diamond Art Club kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. But for now, have a nice day. Bye!